Hey everyone, I'm Chris Woodland, respiratory therapist and director of respiratory for Southmedic. Thanks for watching this video on how to use the Oxy₂Mask. Oxy₂Mask is a new generation of Oxy mask that's one of the safest oxygen masks to use and one that will be more comfortable for your patients. So that means they'll want to keep it on. And a mask that's both easy to use and saves time for clinicians. Oxy₂Mask is an open oxygen mask that delivers between 24 to 90% FiO2, and the holes in the mask really reduce the risk of CO2 rebreathing for your patients. Let's show you how to put Oxy₂Mask on. Simply take the mask out of its packaging, remove the recyclable shell from the mask, twist the swivel to ensure it moves freely, and connect the universal oxygen connector to the oxygen flow meter and set the oxygen flow appropriately. Place the mask on your patient's face with the mask cupping the chin and the all-important diffuser pointed towards the patient's upper lip. This ensures the concentrated cloud of oxygen is being directed appropriately toward the nose and mouth. The head strap can go above the ears around the crown of the head and snug comfortably, or if you find the mask rides up into your patient's eyes, or if they just find it more comfortable, you can always place the straps below their ears and snug them up so it stays in place. There's 4 different sizes of Oxy₂Mask, one that will fit all of your patients. There's the regular adult size, a plus size that's 25% larger for large male faces or guys with big bushy beards, our Oxy₂ Kid size for your pediatric patients, or sometimes this works very well for very petite adult female patients, and Oxy₂ Tyke with FiO2s between 22 to 65%, which tends to be ideal for children between 6 months to 3 years old. No matter who requires oxygen therapy, we have an Oxy₂Mask for you. An open-style oxygen mask that's one of the safest and most comfortable oxygen masks available today. Because that's what we believe at Southmedic. We believe in finding a better way for you and your patients. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check us out at thebetteroxygenmask.com. See you next time.